Alright, what up, y'all? So, I had this C6 vet come in to get these headlights redone. So, before you can get the headlights off, you gotta take the bumpers off, which you got a ton of screws to do to get the bumpers off. But once you get all of that off, then you loosen up the fenders, you can get the headlight out. So, this is what we're working with. Again, gang of screws. But headlight is out. Get you a heat gun, screwdriver. That's all you need. If you put them in the oven, they'll probably work a little quicker, but it's enough to get it done with a heat gun. So, and like a Torx screw or whatever it's 3 bolts holding that lens on. But this the new lens. Get everything off. Get all the old glue cleaned out this little channel, and that took a while. But again, might be a little quicker if you do it in the oven, but a little more to worry about. But once you get all that off, fill this with black RTV. So yeah, this is what I use, but fill it with that, clamp the new lens on, let it dry, put it all back together, and this will be working with. So, car looking brand new. Just, took a day or so, afternoon or whatever. But yeah, new lenses are on, fresh and clear. None of that haze from the old ones. There's no moisture or anything like that getting in. I always seal it through that channel and then do another layer around the edge and seal it just so it's double protected. But this is the old look and the new look. So yeah, that's it. I'll catch y'all later.